In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete a Typeform. Typeform is a popular online tool for creating engaging forms and surveys. However, there may come a time when you need to remove a form you no longer need, whether it's for organizational purposes or simply to declutter your workspace. Don't worry, the process is straightforward and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's head over to typeform.com. Open your web browser and type in the URL at the top of the page. Once the website loads, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Enter your credentials and hit enter. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can see all of your forms. Now, take a moment to locate the specific form you wish to delete. Your forms are usually displayed in a grid or list view depending on your settings, and they should be easy to find if you remember the title or a keyword related to it. Once you've found the form you want to delete, hover over it with your cursor. You should see three small dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, appear on or near the form's thumbnail or listing. Click on these three dots. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. In this menu, you'll find the Delete option. It's usually near the bottom, so you might need to scroll down a bit to see it. Go ahead and click on Delete. Now, here's an important part. Typeform will likely ask you to confirm your decision to delete the form. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. A pop-up or a prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the form. Double check that you've selected the correct form, and if you're absolutely certain, confirm the deletion. This cannot be undone, so make sure you really want to delete this particular form. Once you've confirmed, the form will be removed from your dashboard. It's a good idea to refresh the page or navigate away and come back to ensure that the form has been successfully deleted. If it no longer appears in your list, congratulations, you've successfully deleted a type form. And there you have it. Deleting a type form is just that simple. Remember, once a form is deleted, it's gone for good. So always make sure you've selected the right one before confirming the deletion. If you're tidying up your account or removing outdated content, this process will help keep your workspace organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. If you found this guide useful, feel free to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your Typeform account. Have a great day.